I love finding new brands to use. Like, I really do. Like, it makes me so happy to be like, wow, so I don't have to shop at Sephora all the time. Like, I think this might be the first year I'm not going to be VIB Rouge because I'm shopping everywhere else. That's crazy. That's crazy. But like, when your face ends up looking like this, it's kind of hard to be like, yeah, I'm going to go to Sephora and spend an arm and a leg to look mediocre. Baby girl, you're not mediocre. You never will be. So why are you shopping like the commoners? Get on this exclusive level. Like, look at this. Hey guys, Nancy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we're going to be getting into a black owned brand, another black owned business to add to my hashtag black owned playlist. So all Black History Month, I am getting into black owned brands. So today we're getting into Paba Cosmetics, which is a makeup brand. They are out of Toronto. My order came in a box, but also this bag was included. So I just kind of put everything in here to make it nice and cute. I ordered several stuff because I've been wanting to try this brand for a very, very long time. Probably about 3 to 4 years since I was like living in Toronto. I wanted to try them, but just had to get my money right. They're not super expensive, but whenever I try a brand, I do want to try a lot of the brand's products. I don't like just going in for 1 or 2 things. I do like to buy multiple different products so I can give you an overall first impressions. I don't like just being like, yeah, their eyeshadow's cool. Well, most people's eyeshadow's cool. I'm sure you guys also want to know about the lip products and the foundation. So today we're gonna get into their products. I'm super excited. They also do have a store in Toronto, so you can shop and get cute little bags like this when you go shopping. So if you want to get into Paba Cosmetics, then scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Nat G gang, and let's get into this video. What did I order? Because I ordered everything, like everything I've been doing all month. I've been ordering from like time, like since after Christmas I started. I got a brow product, a lipstick, a blush, a foundation, and a custom eyeshadow palette. So I felt like that was all encompassing of a lot of things. So this is the custom eyeshadow palette. These are the shades I picked. It is a little messed up because Canada Post is trifling, but this is the palette that I made, which was nice and earthy. I was feeling like earth tones, but this was also because I had just ordered the Chile Cosmetics stuff, and their stuff is more bright. So I was like, you know what, let me try some of their darker shadows so that way I get a good balance of like different things in my vanity. I actually really like the process for building a custom eyeshadow palette because I like picking things that I need. I don't like having lots of things that I don't need. So that to me was already like a game changer, being like, oh yeah, you can pick whatever eyeshadows you want and we'll put it in a pan for you and you're gonna be good to go. I think my only request is that, like, I know mirrors are expensive, but if it had a mirror, I would have just taken it to a whole nother level. So I also got their HD foundation. I believe this is in the shade Havana. I usually don't buy foundations from people online. However, when I read through the undertones, it did sound like a pretty good match. I was like, you know what, let's just try it. But I honestly wasn't going to because I didn't buy anything else like the concealers. I didn't buy the setting powders. And again, I usually like to buy the whole line of something. But I was like, you know what, the undertones sound basically perfect, so may as well just try it. I got a lipstick with vitamin E and sunscreen. The color is Sultry. I think it's like an orange if I recall what I got. I got a blush in Dusk, which is also an orange color. And then I got something called their Brow Fix. Okay, so let's start with brows because that's what I usually do. And I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be like impressions of the brand, the products. So if you want anything in depth and you want to know what I did in depth, then please be sure to comment that down below because I'm not trying to get into all those details. Today is not a how-to. Today is a first impression. Let's get it right. So let's get into this brow product. Sorry, sometimes I just scream. You just gotta get it out, like. So it's a nice soft pomade. I like the color a lot. Like when people say brown, I always get worried because I'm afraid that it's gonna be like way too light. But no, this one's a nice, like deep, like almost black brown, but I think they have a black brown, so I don't want to say it's black brown. The way it works is good. I don't want to say malleable, but it is. It's not too dry, it's not too wet. And with my brows, before I do concealer, I'm messy. Like people that are able to do brows perfectly when you don't even have like concealer or anything yet, like who raised you? Who hurt you is a better question actually, because that kind of precision is like serial killer precision. Let me just finish this brow and then we will get into concealer and foundation. I just cleaned my makeup brushes, so it's a dangerous time. This makeup look could come out amazing because everything is clean. Everything is ready to go, okay? So watch out. I swear I got one of their highlighters, but I guess not. That's my bad. I should have definitely gotten one of those. Brows are nice and intense. I do love that. So for foundation, I'm going to do my foundation how I would normally do my foundation, which is just taking whatever foundation I'm using, mixing it with a bit of Farsali Skin Tune Blur, as well as a liquid illuminator, which I have been killing in the last year, which is Go and Glow Co., another black-owned brand. I'm going to just do a quick swatch of what it looks like on my skin, and it looks very, very nice. So I always buy my foundations a little bit more on the red side because I have hyperpigmentation on my face. My face is like many different tones. It's not really just like one color. And I find the undertones of the red foundation after like concealer and everything is applied usually is a good middle ground for me. One, it's a close match to my neck, and two, because red is often used as like a color corrector, I find that it helps almost cover the hyperpigmented areas. Like, I don't need my foundation to be an exact match to my neck, but I like it to be close. Foundation feels good, it feels lightweight, and I think my skin looks good. Like, it looks like my skin, which I would like. It's not cakey at all. So I'm just using TooFaced concealers because it's not about this brand today. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but if you're interested in knowing the colors I used, I'm definitely going to put them in the description box down below. That looks good. Mixed with my TooFaced concealer, this looks very, very good. That's always a good thing, and that's always what I'm looking for foundations, is if they're interchangeable with the products I already have. Because if not, and I can only use them with your products, then what's the point? But this is like my skin. Ah! This foundation getting reordered, love that. And again, all the other products that I use, like this Fenty setting powder, will be listed down below, but they are not the focal point today, so I'm just gonna breeze through this step of setting my face. Okay, now we're gonna get into their blush. And again, this is Dusk. I was so excited when I saw this color because I love, that was crazy heavy, but I love an orange blush, like love it to death. It almost looks pink. It just gives you this nice flush of warmth. It is so good. That's that for blush, because I think I wear it here. I'm only, again, talking about Chile Cosmetics because they're a black-owned brand, but they are going to be the highlighter I use today because I can't believe I forgot to buy a highlighter. So now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And we're going to get into eyeshadow. I was going to do something green today originally when I bought the palette, but today I'm just feeling neutral. I'm just feeling calm, cool, collected, and neutral. So again, I'm feeling very nude today, so let's just get into transition. Oh, it's really nice and soft, but it's also very pigmented. Let's bring you guys in a little tighter so you can see what I see. So transition is very soft, but it actually is like a really good transition shade. Like, look. I could literally put eyeliner on right now and be done. That's what I love about a good transition shade, and that's what I love about a good eyeshadow. No matter what the color is, it should be able to do its job on a dark skinned person and like show up to the party, like clock in for one. Now I'm gonna go in with Mocha very lightly. Oh yeah, she's got a lot of pigment, Miss Mocha. That's crazy. And she blends really nicely into transition. Ooh, did I just create a smoky eye? With the ease. I did not pick up a lot of the eyeshadow. They have really good eyeshadows. So I'm gonna add a touch of warmth and see where that takes us by dipping into Almond. I'm gonna go on a smaller brush. Look at that little spot. I'm just gonna blend it all together. And all this look is missing now is some shimmer. So I'm going to dip into rose gold. Let's put that on my, oh crap. Let's put that on my lid. Very pretty. I'm also just taking whatever excess is left on my finger and just going softly over my brow bone. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of Almond, touch of black eyeliner. Then I'm just gonna do eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera, and then we're just gonna wrap up with lips and we'll be done. So I went back in and added a touch of Vineyard under my eyes just because I thought it would be pretty. And I think I knew what I was talking about because it looks so cute. Like still neutral, but just like a very, very slight pop of color. so far this look is coming together magnificently. So I hope you guys are learning a thing or two about black owned brands this Black History Month. They're not to be slept on. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Bittersweet. They do have a lip liner. I think it was sold out at the time, or the color I wanted was sold out, one of the two. So now we're gonna get into the Paba Cosmetic lipstick in Sultry. Oh, she's matte and very pigmented, and she's a very comfortable wearer. Oh my goodness. It feels like I'm not wearing lipstick at all. I love finding new brands to use. Like, I really do. Like, it makes me so happy to be like, wow, so I don't have to shop at Sephora all the time. Like, I think this might be the first year I'm not gonna be VIB Rouge because I'm shopping everywhere else. That's crazy. That's crazy. But like, when your face ends up looking like this, it's kind of hard to be like, yeah, I'm gonna go to Sephora and spend an arm and a leg to look mediocre. Baby girl, you're not mediocre. You never will be. So why are you shopping like the commoners? Get on this exclusive level. Like, look at this. I can't even say I'm in shock and awe, but like, I love when I look good. So anyways, let's wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. Paba Cosmetics, are you a fan? Have you tried them before? Because I'm now a fan. Leave all your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.